In this video, you will learn about negative questions. This topic is a part of questions. As learned earlier, use what, when, where, why, and who to ask questions. For example, what are you doing? Or, why were they jumping? Use is, am, and are to form interrogative questions. For example, is she Indian? Or, was she upset? Negative questions can be used in 4 ways. To ask for a confirmation of something you believe is true. For example, didn't you see Jay drop the milk? This sentence means that the speaker believes you saw Jay drop the milk and is asking you to confirm. To express your opinions in a polite way by changing them into negative questions. For example, can't we go once more on the merry-go-round? This sentence is a polite way of saying that the speaker wants to go on the merry-go-round once more. A negative question can also be used to ask for confirmation of a negative belief. For example, hasn't he come yet? In this sentence, the manager is surprised that Jay has not come to work since it is already late. To be extra polite to make offers or invitations. For example, wouldn't you like a cup of coffee? This sentence means that the speaker is being polite while asking you for a cup of coffee. To form negative questions using what, when, where, why, and who, use the correct form of the verb do in the sentence. For example, why doesn't he want an ice cream? Or, why didn't you go to school? Now you know what negative questions are and how to use them.